Hello first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 7 and this is lesson 2. Topic 7, we're talking about counting and number pattern 220. Right, you have learned how to show numbers up to 19 using the 10 frames. Remember, when we say 19, so we fill the first frame with 10 and then we use the leftovers and use the second 10 frame. Right, so let's say if I said 15, so I have 10 and then 5 more, which is I'm using the second 10 frame to show that. That's what we did last lesson, right? And we also learned how to read the words in how to read the numbers in words, like how to write number 11 or 12 using letters. All right, today for this activity we will be using the 10 frames to show those numbers like 15 or 19, but we're going to be going more or fewer than. So we add more than or fewer than. All right, so let's come up with any number we like to. So number 1, I'm going to say, for example, 16. All right, so number 16. All right, we need to put first your 16 in a 10 frames, then read what I have to add. 1 more, 2 more, or fewer than. All right, so let's put 16. That's the number I decided to use. So here's my 16, which is, I know how to do it. It's 10 and 6, right? So that's what I learned last lesson. So I'm putting the first 10 frame, I'm completed, then I'm using the second 10 frame. So now I have 10 and 16. That's what we covered last lesson. But for this lesson, you choose 16, right? 1 more than 16 is, so I'm putting 1 more. I'm gonna use different thing for you so you can see. So 1 more here. I put 1 more. So now I have 16. 1 more. Very good. 17. 2 more. 2 more than 16, not 2 more than 17. No. Your original number is 16. 1 more is 17. 2 more, that means I'm putting 2 more counters. Now I can read. I know that it's 10 and very good. So 2 more than 16, 17, 18. So 2 more than 16 is 18. All right. Okay, let's choose another number. Let's say number 2, 15. Okay, so 15. I have my first 10 frames filled and the leftover, the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know my row. 5. Okay. If I say 1 fewer means less. All right, I can take 1 away. So now I know it's 10 and 4 leftovers. So 1 fewer than 15 is 14. Okay. I wanted to say 2 fewer than 15. 2 fewer. I already moved 1. And here's another one. So 2 fewer than 15 is 10 and 3 is 13. So 2 fewer than 15 is 13. 15 take away 2. So we see it on a 10 frames. All right. Remember, we learned how to do the numbers like 11 to 19, how to use the 10 frames and show 10 plus the leftovers. Now we're still using the same 10 frames. We're doing the same thing, but now we're adding more or less. So this is how it should look like. All right, let's turn the page and see that activity inside. All right, over here, 1 more than 15 is, so this is a 10 frame, this is your 10, this is 5, 15, so 1 more. Use a different color to show them. 1 more would be 16. Very good. 2 more than 15. This means put 2 counters extra. So this is your original number 15. 2 more, 2 extra will be 17, right? Because it's going to be 10, 5, and then I have more. So after 5, 6, 7, so it's going to be 17. All right. Now you have your 15. One fewer than 15 is, this is when we take one away. So we hid 1, so now it's 10 and 4, 14. All right, 2 fewer than 15, that's mean you hiding 2. So this is a 2 I'm hiding. And now you have the 10 and 3 is 13. All right. Let's do the guided practice. Use counters to make the numbers. Write the numbers. So we can always use this 10 frames, or you draw one on your paper and use it. And of course, you can use coins, counters, cubes, stickers, markers, anything that you can use to count this. All right, write number 13. So first thing, I have to write the numbers. Now remember what we covered last lesson, numbers written in words. So this is the time to practice. So 13, 2 more than 13. So if you have your 10 frames, if you want to do that, let me draw a big one. All right, so this is my 10 frames that I'm going to use it to solve my question. Like that, maybe we can have them both together in the same page. Okay. All right, so number 13, 2 more, 15. Okay. Okay, this is my number, 13. 2 more, that's mean I'm adding 2 more. I'm gonna always use different counters or keys, so you'll be easily seeing it. So this is 15. 2 fewer than 13. This is your number. This is the number you're gonna always go, either more or fewer, not your answer, no, your original number, the one you just read it and put it in a box. So now 2 fewer means 2 less than 13. I'm taking 2 away. Now there will be 10, 1, 11. Get it? Okay, let's do number 2, 17. 17. All right, so I need to fill 17 first and then follow the rest of the question. So, okay, 17. 2 more than 17. This is my 17. 10 and 7. 2 more. Okay, I'm adding 2 more. 1, 2. So 17 and 2 more, I can read 17, 18, 19. So 2 more than 17 is 19. Okay? 2 fewer than what? Then 17. So 2 fewer, here 2. Take them away. It's gonna be very good. 10 and 5, 15. So 2 more than 17 is 19. 2 fewer than 17 is 15. All right. Number 12. That means I have to show 12 in my 10 frames. So I know 12 means 10 and 2 leftovers. Here's my 10 and this 2 leftovers. So 12. Now 2 more than 12s, I'm adding 2. 12, 13, 14. 10 and 4 leftovers, so it's going to be 14. Now go back to your original number in the box, 12. 2 fewer than 12, taking 2 away. What do I have? 10. So 2 fewer than 12 is 10. Okay, number 4, 15. 15, I have to write it first in a box. 15. So 10 and 5. That's mean the first row, because I know the first row is 5 boxes. So 10 and 5 is 15, right? One more. That means I'm adding only, filling an extra box. That's the one more. So 15 plus one more. Very good, 16. Okay, one fewer than 15. So I go back to my 15. One fewer means I'm taking one away. I see 10 and 4. 10 and 4, 14. So one fewer than 15 is 14. Right? All right. Do you understand? Do you understand how can you find the number that is 2 more than 15? Yep. I'm going to show number 15, then I'm going to add 2 more, right? So I'm going to show 15 counters on my 2 10 frames, and then I'm going to add 2 more counters, and I can be seeing like that. Can you show more than 15? 2 more? Yeah, this is my 15, then here's my 2 more. So what did I do? I show the 10 frames using the first 10 frames to be 10, left over 5, and then I add 2 more. Right? We need to write this down. Okay. So I'm gonna show the numbers 15. So the number 15, because that's the number they gave me. Number 15 with the counters. Using the 10 frames, using 10 frames. Then I'm gonna add the 2 more. Then add, because they said 2 more, so I'm gonna add 2 more counters. And count all the counters together, and count all the counters. So exactly what we do, we just need to put it in words. Okay? Very good. Let's go for the next activity. Page 245. And we have number 5. Use counters to make the numbers. Write the numbers. So I know my number. This is 11. Very good. So 2 more than 11. I'm going to use my 10 frame. Gonna first put 11, which I know it's 10 and 1. So this is my first 10 frames, and the extra or the leftover I put it in the next 10 frame. So 10 and 1 is 11. Now 2 more. All right, here's my 2 more. 11, 12, 13. So 2 more than 11 is 13. And then 2 fewer than 11. So this is my 11. 2 fewer, 1, 2. So count. What do I have? Of course, I don't need to count because I know this is 10 frame. Missing 1 means 9. So 2 fewer is 9. Okay, number 6. 18. Very good. So if you know it, you can put your number right away, but I have to explain to make sure that all my friends get that concept. So 18, 8, and then, I'm sorry, 10, and the leftover for the second 10 frame. So I have, first one is 10, then I need to make 8. First row is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more than 18. Very good, 19. 1 fewer than 18, because I'm always looking at this number or this word that I put it in a number. So 1 fewer than 18, this is my 18. I'm gonna take 1 away, so it's gonna be 1 fewer. I see 10, I see 15, 16, 17. So 1 fewer than 18 is 17. All right, number 7. Very good, 14. So I need to show 14 in my 10 frames. I know them now. This is my 10 and this is my leftover 14. 4, so total 14. All right, 2 more than 14. I'm gonna have my cubes to add 2 more. So now I have 15 and 1, 16. So 14, 2 more than 14, or 14 plus 2 is 16. Now 2 fewer than my original number 14. So I keep my 14 back. Now I take 2 fewer, 2 less. I take 2 away. And what do I have? 10 and 2, that makes 12. Awesome. Number 8, 16. So I'm gonna show 16 in my 10 frames, and I know that. So simple and easy. Now this is 10, and then first row is 5, so 15, and 1 more 16. So this is my 16. I need to write the number here, 16. One more than 16. Here you go. Very good, 17. 1 fewer than 16. Here's my 16 back, 1 fewer. Very good, 15. All right. Okay, use counters, write the missing number. Number 9, 12 plus what give you 13? All right, so that means I have to show my counters. This is my 10 frame. 10 and 2, that's 12. Plus, how many to give you 13? Let me add 1. Yes, now it's 10 and 3. So, what did I add? 1 more. So, 12 plus 1 equals 13. All right, 12 plus something give you 14. No problem. I have my 12. I need to add more to get 14. So, 12. That's my 12. 10 and 2. 13. 14. So 12 plus 2 equals 14. Like 2 more than 12 give me 14. Okay, let's turn the page. Go for page 246, number 11. Rosie has 14 grapes. Stephen has 2 more grapes than Rosie. How many grapes does Stephen have? Draw a picture to solve. Write the numbers. So Rosie has 14, so I need to draw 14 here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what Rosie has. She had the 14, right? Stephen have 2 more, so I'm gonna add 2 more. I need to draw here the 14 and then I add 2 more. So let's draw the 14 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I need 2 more. I'm gonna make squares so you can see. 2 more. So this is the 14, 15, 16. So total 16 grapes. All right, let's do number 12. David has 15 strawberries. He loses 1 strawberry. As you see, 15 in a basket, he lost 1. 1 fewer. How many strawberries does David have now? Well, if I'm in kindergarten, I might probably counting, and that's absolutely right. But now I have a new lesson and I need to practice this. So 15 loses 1 means 1 fewer than 15. Oh, I can use my 10 frame to make sure that I know my strategy and I'm doing it right. So I'm gonna fill my frame with the original number that David has first. So he had 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 5 more to make 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? He loses 1. So he lost 1 strawberry. I'm gonna take this away. So it's 10 and 4. 10 and 4 is 14. I'm looking for 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Yes, B, circle B. Awesome. Number 13. Read the clues, draw a picture to solve, write how many apples each ant has. Kim has 12 apples. Lee has 2 fewer apples than Kim. Abby has 1 more apple than Lee. So, this is fun. Let's go step by step. I have Kim, Lee, and Abby. Let's read again my clue. Kim has 12 apples, so I'm gonna put 12 apples for Kim because she has 12. Cool. Lee has 2 fewer. That means 2 less than 12. Do you need to draw the 10 frames? Well, let's draw it. I'm gonna draw 2 10 frames, and I'm gonna show the numbers 12 first. So Kim has 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So Lee has 2 fewer apples than Kim. So 2 fewer than Kim. This is what Kim has. So I'm gonna take away 2. So Lee has, very good, 10. All right. He has 1 more apple than Lee. So now I know that Lee has 10, so 1 more than 10 is 11. Very good. All right, so this lesson is really fun, and it's not very new because we took using number 10 frames from 11 to 19. We use our counters to show numbers between 11 to 19. Today we learn how to add 1 more or 2 more or 1 fewer or 2 fewer using still the 10 frames, adding 2 more or 1 more, taking 1 more or 2 more. And we use this also, the 10 frames. Probably next time we'll be able to do it with drawing 10 frames, but for the time being, we're practicing the new strategy. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you.